Morning, people. Morning. Today is April 1st, April Fool's Day. Don't you guys wish that this was all one big joke? Like it was just a huge prank on the whole world? Then we could like snap back on the streets. Anyways, that was my breakfast that I had. That was some good old saltfish and butter beans with some fried dumpling, as in boiled dumplings that I fried the next day, and with a little piece of banana on the side. You guys, I'm feeling sad right now. I'm feeling really sad right now because it was supposed to be my travel day. I was supposed to be traveling today, y'all. You understand what I'm saying? Like, I've been counting down this day for months and months and months. I was supposed to go to America to see my boo-boo. I was going to America to see my baby, y'all. Like, y'all don't know. Y'all just don't know. It's like the struggle. The struggle is real. And then we were supposed to fly away to Jamaica. You guys, I haven't been to Jamaica in 12 years. You understand? 12 years. That's 12 long years. Like it was well overdue. Like my friends back home kept asking me like, girl, when are you gonna come down? When are you gonna come down? You forget about us. And I'm like, soon. Every year I would say soon. And then 2020 was supposed to be the year. I was supposed to be loading up y'all phones and y'all TV screens with Jamaica vlogs, but that ain't happening, y'all. That ain't happening. Instead, I'm stuck here in England, and it's a bit cold now. Like first I thought like the weather was nice. The sun started coming out, and this morning I woke up and it was actually cold. Like right now I have my heating on. I don't know what's going on with the weather, but it actually sucks. And today would have been the perfect day for me to fly off in sunny Miami. Like honestly, I had my 2 holidays planned. I was supposed to be flying away. Today was supposed to be the day that I flew away into paradise, y'all. Paradise. No paradise for me though. Anyways, I hope y'all doing okay. For those of y'all that was supposed to be going home to y'all family and friends and that, I'm feeling y'all. Like I'm in this with y'all right now. Like I'm in this struggle with y'all. This struggle. But nevertheless, we have to thank God for life. We're still here. We're still going through it. We are fighting this battle. Hopefully it'll be over soon. Like honestly, like I want to go. I'm ready to go. Like I hope I can get to go down for July, guys. Like July, August or so, and spend summer down there. Like y'all don't know. Y'all don't know. Like I'm sad. Like right now I could like burst into tears. Y'all see that? Y'all see that teardrop on my face? No, but seriously, like it's just crazy, y'all. I mean, it's insane. Anyhow, y'all see me on the tube with my thingy, my head thing. Like this is how I sleep, y'all. So I literally woke up, brushed my teeth, and went to make breakfast because Shakayla texted me from in her room and says she's starving, and I was starving as well. Like y'all don't know. Like I had that dinner yesterday afternoon and I didn't eat anything else after that, and woke up late. I went to sleep very late and woke up and my belly was rumbling as well. So I just brushed my teeth quickly, went into the kitchen and whipped that up real quick. Shakayla didn't eat that though. I did scrambled eggs and hot dogs because that's her thing. You understand? She's not into this whole butter beans and saltfish. But yet still she wanna say she's half Jamaican. I say half Jamaican. I say you ain't half Jamaican, girl. All Jamaicans, or the majority of Jamaicans, we love saltfish, okay? If you ain't loving saltfish and ackee and those things, you ain't Jamaican, okay? Okay, just put that out there. You're not. But anyways, That was that, and I had that with some Milo. I had that with some good old Milo. So now I'm just chilling in bed. I'm actually watching YouTube. I'm subscribed to some of y'all that's watching. I am subscribed to a lot of channels. Like, I'm all for the support because I'm grateful for the support that I've been getting. My subscribers is, you know, slowly climbing. People are watching, and I'm grateful. Like, I'm keeping track if y'all watching. Like, I'm seeing that the views and the watch minutes of the videos and everything is just, it's climbing. So thank y'all for that. Keep watching my videos and keep watching, keep liking, keep commenting. I'm loving it. And make sure you share it and encourage others to tune into my channel, okay? Because I might not have a whole lot of excitement right now because it's quarantine, but as soon as we up and out of this quarantine, y'all know I'm gonna bring y'all some good vibes, some good island vibes, and some good Miami vibes, okay? I'm gonna show y'all. Like, I normally go away like twice a year. I try to go twice a year, and I'm so sorry that I haven't been vlogging because, like, I always have lots and lots of fun. And this time around when I go away, y'all gonna know I'm gonna keep y'all so up to date. I'm gonna kill y'all with videos. Anyways, I'm gonna end this here and I'm gonna continue watching some videos. I need to shower. I don't know, Shaquille and I are gonna, I think we were meant to do some kind of TikTok thing. Like, she's into TikTok these days and she's like, let's do a TikTok dance. And so if I do some TikTok dancing with her, then I'll share that with y'all. But I'm gonna go and get out of this, bed up, get even more comfy, chill, watch some more y'all videos. I'm obsessed with YouTube now. That's all. Since I've been in quarantine, I've been finding so many different vloggers and stuff like that and subscribing and enjoying the videos, y'all, especially vloggers from back home. I'm enjoying all these quarantine vlogs, so y'all keep them coming. If y'all ain't on YouTube yet, I suggest y'all start up your channel and just vlog. Like, people want things to watch. We all be looking stuff. People bored and ain't got nothing to do. So YouTube is where it's at. Upload those videos, y'all. Do your thing, okay? Until next time, guys, this is bye for now. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment and subscribe and share the video with your friends and family and encourage them to subscribe to Life with SK. Much blessings to y'all, and I hope y'all keeping safe. All right, bye now.